road. Left my phone on the counter, let the blue light fade. Grabbed an old notebook and the promises I made. No big announcements, no swipe of an ad, just 4 quiet lines in a warm paperback. Be the parent they need when the days rush by. Trade the endless scrolling for the open sky. Screens in the drawer, heart wide open, like last year's resolutions. This year I mean it. Hands in the dirt, eyes on the smiles, building real memories, mile after mile. Screens in the drawer, heart wide open, like all those past Januaries with promises broken. This year I meant it, and I mean it again. Saturdays on the sideline, frost on my shoes, watching her chase that ball, nothing to lose. No lens between us, just the wind and a cheer. When she scored that first goal, the whole world felt near. Sundays at grandma's floor on the floor, dad teaching my boy what tools are for. Stories over pie till the candles burn low. No buzz, no escape, just the love we let grow.